friend Kunal, so I came here. I have no association. But I came for my friend. Yeah, we were in school together. He's my senior. He's my senior. About Kunal, he's a very, very talented designer. He's paid me to say good things about him. Don't worry, Kunal, I won't rip you apart. No, I've actually known him since school, and he is my senior. That is the truth. And when you go so long back, it's always nice to support each other. And he's doing so well in his field, and he's seen me since I became an actress. So it's always nice to support each other. So I'm here to support him.
How do you feel a part of
Good. I'm happy that I can be a part of my friend's success and his new initiative, his new venture, and I hope that it takes off and does very, very well. Fingers crossed. Thank you.
good to be in sync with what's happening. I love to learn. I love to see what's happening around me. That definitely is a part of me.
What is the real meaning of fashion for you?
I think for me it's more about style than fashion, because fashion is something which you can see outside, which you can get, which you can keep it in your closet. But style, I think you are born with it and you can't borrow it. Style is your own.
Yeah. Is there upcoming project in your pipeline?
I've signed a film. Of course, I've signed a film with Bijoy Nambiar sir, who directed Wazir last, and it's an action drama, full-on action drama film. So I'll be getting a chance to beat up some bad guys very soon.
So, how important is a designer for an actor or an artist?
A designer, as important as any family member who takes care of you. जैसे घर पे लोग आपका ध्यान रखते हैं, that's why you are able to do good things outside. You go to work, there are people back home who are taking care of you. So I think designers they become a family after a point. Now I realize I have a few friends who I met at work, who met me as designers. Now they are my friends because they really take care of you and they make you look the way you look. So yeah.
Something about Kunal you want to share with us?
I love his work. I think he makes people look so good. They're already good looking, but I think he just adds up to that. So I'll be honest, yeah.
Thank you.